Good afternoon, my YouTubers. I am Creative Genius 24, and here I'm doing another video, but this time is related to food. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. I just posted 2 new videos of me dancing to 2 different YouTube shorts. But anyway, y'all, let's get into this video here. So this is something new. Y'all may or may not had it before. I never tried it before, but I ordered Instacart yesterday, but it was through Walmart, and I just happened to see these. So it's the Montery, family owned since 1964 signature 5 chicken and Monterey jack cheese grilled quesadillas in a fresh baked tortilla. So I have one here already open because I had bought 2 boxes, and I'm like, I may or may not like them, but it's something I wanted to try. So basically, in my opinion, it tells you literally it got chicken and Monterey jack cheese, but grilled quesadillas, I should say. And from this, you get 13 grams of protein. And not only you can put these in the microwave, but you can also put them in the air fryer. So we're going to look at the directions for air fryer. So air fryer, 350 degrees. Place 1 quesadilla in the air fryer basket. Frozen, cook for 5 minutes. Flip and cook for additional 5 minutes. And let it stand for 1 minute before eating it. So basically, how I'm going to do it is, I'm going to put it on the air fryer 350 degrees Fahrenheit. But what I'm going to do is put the timer on 10 minutes. So when the first 5 minutes is up, I'm going to turn the quesadilla over. So this is what it looked like when it's not cooked. So, and also these were frozen when I had received them. But the reason why it looked like this because I had unthawed them. So right now I'm finna go to the air fryer and put it in there for the first 5 minutes. And then I'm going to flip it. And then we're going to do a taste test. So as you can see right now, I got it on 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 minutes. So basically we're just waiting for the first 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to open it and flip it and let it cook the next 5 minutes. And then after that, I'm going to take it out and show you the results. And I'm going to taste it and let you know what I think. Alright guys, so right now is at 350 for 7 minutes. Okay, so we almost there to 5 minutes. We're just waiting for the time to go by. But in the meantime, how y'all doing today? Today is Thursday. For me today, I'm just chilling, making my videos. But how is my YouTubers doing? I know it's been like a while since I posted because I had a lot going on during these past few months, with family and just what I've been hearing on the news, and it's just a mess right now. So I just want all my YouTubers to be safe out there if you're outside. But if you inside today, just want to know what are your plans for today, or you're just gonna be chilling like me, or watching TV, or matter of fact, this is school week if you in school. I wish you luck for the school year and also be safe out there. So right now is at 350 degrees Fahrenheit and it got 6 minutes. So we got one more minute and then I'm going to flip it over. And I'll show y'all the results when it get to 5 minutes, literally. But, yep. It's at 6 minutes now. So now, as you can see, my air fryer beeping. So I gotta take it, open it, and this is what it looked like. Okay. So what I'm finna do now is flip it. So give me about a couple minutes to get that, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so I just flipped the other side of the quesadilla. Now I gotta say, when I cooked the first side, the quesadilla on the side that I had cooked, it was like a crisp to it. So that's letting me know the tortilla is cooking good. So we still got about 5 minutes left. So we gonna let that, do its thing. Let it do what it do. And we'll be right back. So while we waiting on the quesadilla to get done, I just want to show y'all that I also bought some vitamin water. This flavor is Dragon Fruit Power C. And it tells you right here, vitamin water with vitamin C for immune support when it gets adulting, gets hard. So like every day. And then, my bad y'all, it's because of the light. So let me see if you can see it. Antioxidant. Antioxidant, vitamin C, zinc, and to help support normal immune function. And I ain't gonna lie, ever since like I've been drinking water more often than pop. I'm just, trying to try new stuff, but I really like this flavor. It's good. They got it in, like I said, dragon fruit. They got it in kiwi, strawberry, pomegranate, and I believe another one in coconut. So, but I also got this from Walmart. You get the 6-pack. And then calories you get from it is 90. Yep, so like I said, I prefer this more than pop, like the Starry Pop or Pepsi. I just been drinking this more often than pop. So, yeah. Alright, so I just got back over here with the air fryer and it's on 350 degrees Fahrenheit and it's on 1 minute. 1 minute, y'all. 1 minute. Okay. So that's what we working with. It's almost there. Okay. And just to let you guys know, this air fryer I had got, I believe 2022, and so far I haven't had no many issues with it, like no issues. But I got this off of Amazon. But during the time they had it like for $80. So yeah, anyway, I'm getting ready to open it. And oh my God, I can hear the sizzling. Look, y'all. Well, due to the light, so but you could tell the little brownness on there, the cheese. But I'm gonna put this on the plate for a better result for y'all. So give me a second. Alright, so the current time is 12:20, okay? So right now, we gonna do a taste. First time. If you guys had this before, tell me what y'all think. But this is good. Look at that. Look at this. And it's definitely air fryer possible. This may look like bacon, but I don't believe it is because it said Monterey Jack cheese and grilled chicken. But look at this. Okay. That's how it turned out. And I like my food like that. Put a little crunch to it. And it'd be good if you got some salsa. So I'm gonna give it a minute to let it cool off. I'm gonna be eating this and with my vitamin water. So yeah, let me see, y'all. Hey y'all, so I'm back. So basically I just want to say real quick, when I did smell this, the smell of this tortilla, well, quesadilla, it reminds me the smell of spaghetti. So I'm just like, okay. So I'm getting ready to try it out now. So give me about a minute and I'll let you know what I think. Alright guys, I'm back. I tried the quesadilla. The smell of the quesadilla, to me, it smells like spaghetti. But when I tasted it, oh my God, it melts right in your mouth completely. I would prefer put this in the air fryer. But I understand because some of you guys don't got an air fryer. You can put it in the microwave too, but for better and crisp results, put this in the air fryer. I mean, look at this. This is how it's supposed to look. But far as the tasting, like I said, this quesadilla melts in your mouth. Is enjoyable. Is delicious. Perfect for something, on your lunch break. Or just something quick, you know what I mean? So tell me guys what you think. And please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And I will see you guys in another video that I do. Be safe and have a good day.